Hi, today I'm going to show you how to hand enhance this canvas giclée to add more texture to the mane and different areas in the painting. This is actually a giclée print on canvas of my original painting called Wild Wind. So this is the product I'm going to use today, which is a gel gloss medium and a palette knife. So there it is. I think it looks really good. And mind you, this looks white right now, but it will dry clear. So I'll check back in with you tomorrow when it's fully dry. And then at that time, I can see if I want to add more or just say it's done. So I'll see you back here tomorrow. Hi, it's the next day. I'm back and I wanted to show you how the gel medium looks now that it's dry. You can see these areas where it looks a little bit whiter. That actually is the gel medium dried. So it really does reflect the light. And then looking at this canvas print straight on, the texture is very subtle, but it does catch the light, and I'm super happy with it. I hope you give this technique a try yourself, and I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and let me know how it works. I hope to see you back here soon, and thanks for watching. Bye!